Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing resources. Make sure your USB is at least 8 GB and backed up, because the process will erase it. Download the official Windows 11 ISO or Media Creation tool. Choose ISO for manual writes. Once done, insert the USB and note the drive letter. You'll need it. Make sure Secure Boot and TPM are understood for later BIOS checks. This step gets your files and hardware ready, so the flashing stage is reliable and repeatable. You now create the bootable media. Open Rufus or the Media Creation tool, pick the downloaded ISO, and select the USB drive you prepared. Choose GPT for UEFI systems unless you need legacy BIOS. This ensures compatibility with modern machines. Pick FAT32 if Secure Boot matters, otherwise NTFS works for large files. Click Start and allow the utility to format and copy files. Progress bars show status. Once finished, safely eject the USB to prevent. You'll finish by booting from the USB. Reboot, open the boot menu or BIOS, and select the USB drive as first boot device. This launches the Windows installer. Follow on-screen prompts to pick language, accept license terms, and choose the target partition. Format if you're doing a clean install. Make sure device drivers and activation details are ready. If the PC doesn't boot, recheck USB formatting and partition scheme. Try a different port, or temporarily disable Secure Boot to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.